Guys, I was not going to do anything about this until a guy that I've dealt with online a couple times got hit with it, and so I feel like somebody ought to be saying something about it. If you have a YouTube channel, or really you do anything publicly, you will get sponsorship offers that are crap from people trying to hack your account. I've had at least 2 of these emails. They're generally, hey, my company's developed a new antivirus or VPN or editing software or something you have to install on your computer, and we'd like for you to do a sponsored post on it. I always ignore them because they're crap. The first one I ever got, I sent him back. I thought it was garbage, so I sent him back a response telling him I'd do a video for him for $5,000, which is garbage. It's not a realistic rate, especially for a channel my size. And they're, oh yeah, perfect. How do we do it? How do you want to organize payment? You know, we're happy to pay you, but we want to see the video first. All the sort of crap that screams it's not real. So I just wanted to get the word out there. Do not install stuff from sponsors on your computer unless you know who they are. NordVPN is the only one I can think of right off the top of my head, or Honey, or one of these other ones that's not a sponsored video. Just a warning to you guys, I know I came up in a community of other smaller creators and was always happy and still am happy to work with them. A lot of you guys have been following along. I wanted to give this out as a warning and also just a reminder that people kind of suck. Don't get scammed.